better. It's true, you're better. No, the better. She goes smile at you every day, but deep inside she just gonna laugh at you in some way. It looks so bright at daytime, night is the real colors. Yeah. I'll show you my true colors. Yeah. You gonna see my true colors. Yeah. I will show you my true colors. Yeah. The true colors. Yeah.
Unim. Ewo. Powerful man be. Let me do work on her.
Hey, there be you.
Best some brand yama. Won messiah kra no the amount.
Mercy. If I show me there's a boson na confona. I don't go to such places and you know it.
Come on.
Nah, I reporting my police eh. Cause social no stalk you, I saw reporting my police. Because so when judge a girl no. Na me shiani no bi ma I swear me kunu.
And this how over them.
Oh, and me kunu pa na dem concern we.
Who them me Lucy, right? Who them me Lucy to me patcho and that one they me so me tin afford me Lucy.
And show so show nyem yi.
Me na na me best me so no so, but I me hu say I me lower me hu. E na ma sa de na ba. Na nkanye lower na me wo me ye humble to that extent that nkono dan one go betinye gina me menu. Me despite ba. Please.
Can't quite condition anymore. No condition. Can't much she they are born diamond one and a day. And they didn't quite. A condition could be.
Me no, a memma yamina.
This life no be better. It's true, you're better. No, the better. She goes smile at you every day. But deep inside, she just gonna laugh at you in some way. It looks so bright at daytime, night is the real colors. Yeah. I will show you my true colors. Yeah. You gonna see my true colors. Yeah. I will show you my true colors. Yeah. The true colors. Yeah. Hey. You pretend to be my best friend. Until the end of my hour, to me. You become my husband's sex friend. Until 1 year, what I remember, I me know them, you know, watching it when you're across and come. Oh, you always backbiting me. You come back comforting me. I told you all my secrets. That is why you snatching my boyfriend. If you any bump, I want some the idea. She go look so bright at daytime, night is the real colors. Yeah. I will show you my true colors. Yeah. A true color. You gon' see my true colors. Yeah. You gon' see my colors. I will show you my true colors. Yeah. The true colors. Yeah.
Who's a boy's flex? Yeah, you and me. You who pray with the answer, you man in the D. When I'm so much digini yami ambe mo a young boy when we are now ye. Hey, Interpersonal, or you go back on the same one. It's a shiny bebre, you feel yamiana, or ring it is strange, what the tree cry at you want to Suakume Muni what the afra. So when you wake up in the morning, bow down on your knees and pray to the Almighty.
I don't know if you're Hello, Mr. Osei. Let's see. Mr. Osei, me quiz kaon. Me ATM na kwa machine. Tiske biye ni me ho. And I may train Western Union be so my. So, I say my broke kakra. Something me bisa so be. Obe send me bi kakra go. Mobile phone so. My broke. It's me turn out be me andre. Why? Yeah. But I know say definitely me Western Union beba. Just that me here be kakra I want. Me pacho Mate ne me train. Me das.
Colors, yeah. I will show you my true colors, yeah. The true colors, yeah.
Send him to say, Abby. Oh, poor Benty. You see, Abby. Yes, baby. Love you, say.
Oh, yeah, Fabre me. Atari na me pay.
Atari no. Oh, what are the enemy the bepro? I think we me refi cry.
We are sure.
Oh, I think.
We just how 419.
I say what?
We buy an obeji.
Me do it. Me do it. Eh, me anka wo kan.
Na se me hu ya also
But I
scan
know,
na
atari mum de me hu ya na me hu se be fata.
Yeah, be fata me.
Me hu ya na me hu se be fata. Say wo gina atade ni mu
Hu
anka.
sa. By wo ho de.
Oh, what then? Ah, I
wo
will
de nche na wo de twa 419. Wo de minimum so ban.
Ewo. Me de bebro we me refi me fakra de shade mu. I na me refi.
Yeah, free one notice. Na comment na se be de adi ai.
Oh no.
Oda. Thing.
Neighbor. How many times? And I mean, because I see me show. But cat says how Ababa mean penny uncle. Mean person any bear uncle. All the time, who be a free baby, sensitive baby, bad. It seems I say, I know maybe call wrong. We can't now, would you know my diago, Miss Show? You're careful on me, empowering an auntie.
She's been my friend. I mean, our attitude, our problems, but she's been my friend.
But one thing is, we point fast. I know the shy.
Mate.
So on the tell. No problem there.
Mate.
The toy as some deal, and person be quite creative to be about to us.
Mate or do me say mate. Why?
We got a
Mate.
Hey. Adam. Eddie was not now tete me sir.
So last time I catch him say I'm bram just can go Jan.
Akole, me butu no, me born any so man. Ah, hwe nim bi. Me twen ade papa wa ba bi. Ah, ade na akole tete me sir. Ah, o se me to me bon so. Man hwe ni na me ko bon no so e bia na de asem fofora bre me. Ah, o se me. Me catch us the next register.
Hey, dear na moko kan ya ma chese. Ntimi anni nkomo wo de me betena hankwana. Mo timi be bon komo tintin say.
Oh, say we enye tintin bia ja.
Anyway, Rama, me na me de be toa so a atade sema na o kan bebrebe. Na me bebi sa wasem. Uku. O se di adwuma no ye. E na ehi fan so na ya na okọ.
Oh, unim. Onte. Oh, he's into politics. Don't say, but what's funny? I mean, what's funny? Mercy, what's funny?
Mastering capital letters. He's into politics. And what GD? Oh, huna kwa. Shye. Anane. Opia ye dineti o Tom Rama opia dineti. Shye. Mi kotunu ni abaywe bi.
Hey. What shall say no?
Try what try.
What shall say no?
Wahu.
You.
Wahu ye didi no num ho kwan. Na kaduane ni huna akwa.
Aden na what is ça? Mercy. Aden na me kunu sei, na ochina sei. Eye me pacho. Me kunu. Me nko ano do me.
Mate.
Me nko ano do me. Me na wa hye me kawa o.
Mate.
Aden.
Abi, ya o kan me ngawe. Nti e bia na Miss Twin sister no. Me no ka se so no so ni ho okọ we pie. Me nkan kire o, me nimu me hu krada.
Me kai last time na share me kwan catch him say I'm bram na me just can go Jan.
Enya me ye twins on we pie. Enya me a.
See you later, baby girl.
Wait, bra.
Ah, sister, I didn't think I sure.
From one question. Ah, the bully is here.
When you do by your honorable wife.
Of course, yes. I didn't fata me ana.
Yeah, they are grow about few dear me kebesiano. No more here. Obey that thing you back.
Ah, now why?
Hey, now how are Hey,
Hey.
so.
You na last me share wo kwan no.
I'm butcher me.
Na ha de opede wa.
So sister we na odem ba ase.
Hey. Ade, shaso. Oh, chire. O si akommode no. E na me si on magic kan koto aduane ndi. Eno anti no, me kra me tia me ya ade. Me nim so wakwa akosha ho. Me kosha na ho na akosha ukoje den.
Owa.
Hey. If you obo na eno purchasing. Then no papa chere.
Odem ba ase ano sim beji we scan koto tofi.
Ah. Eh, jama wonti chi won.
Chom ti ase pa.
Na sem na oka na nye no ana oka no.
So ni si o si we me na mba ase so no odem ba ase.
Nyo chire bi. Beji koto aduane. Twon. Ano sen.
Hey, ada kom na de woni ntunti me ndwen won. Ana wonti chi.
Ya mo papa no ma ni pakra ya papa nu. Jo se kom do please amma abeto aduane. Wa be jina. Me mo ana me de boa. Wo be na ya. Wa ye. So, listen. Suzy me. Listen, you go to aduane.
Na, akwa wa ya correct.
Shie. Me see me kotu wokunu me de me ka kire wo sister. Na sebe dachi bi ne yede ye me no. Na fa bi anyewo. Me mpese history be repeat no ho.
Na wo asem me na opese.
Asem na me de
asem me na opese.
Oh, emfatu ho na me ye se me kai wo. O life awo mu na ya me mpekra. Ye bo nkomo na se ye di agofefe. Na wakofa bibi adan.
Ade na ya wote sa.
Ah, me mate. O de mate.
Me mpesa.
Oh, adan.
Me nkofa embeka. Me mpe.
Mate. Wo de hwe na wanka se me ka man kan kire why. Hwe na wanka.
Mate.
Hey.
Ah, kole. Ba o se come do. Na me si me ba be yi scam wa akoto aduane a. O me twen ko obi nti ai say no na madwen was. Ah, akwa show so okoye den yu. E ka sen.
So wa no ade jo mo so. Wa no ade jo mo so na o mo yesa.
Any cry me expect ko obi say.
I will show you my true colors, yeah. The true colors, yeah.
Frati Yankopo. Sa boy with me so soon more. Me bonankas, me papa ne ni swamano. Stupid boy. Wo me mama 50 Ghana. Me last money. Kwana ko yi 5 cedis. 5 cedis. Okwa fasika ni nyina wama. Ma twen more than 2 hours. That's all this kind of call.
Oh, Brown.
Good afternoon. Please, I'm looking for Regina.
Hey, why?
Oh, be sure. Wo Mr. say, my flower, anyone can sem. Usi me this care bro sisi ya. Up till now, we nyina mo tese papa ne des fighting. Mimi sika mo na mo ba bepedi. Mo ma na mo magindi. Se mu na akwa. Mi ti akra ekom deme. Ekom deme. Ti na pa mi didi aden.
Brown. Neda sem na wakwa sa den.
Nyempi. Uso ba, o mama na up to na undua. Miss me yesika akoye niama bi.
Nipa ni so obeba. Ntu nante na tsana obeba nya abochire.
Miss me yesika. Me yesika ya even me pesika kra e dey to credit egu me phone so.
Nya abochire. But at least you have to exercise patience and wait for him. Now koba na no e. Nipa ni so obeba nya abotre. Exercise patience and wait.
Susie. I don't know. Unim. I was meeting me a very, very important call. What must I say? And at the moment, you know, I said me creditors maybe 200 Ghana cedis. Nam dey to credits I go me phone so I can me cook room. Me ban bedroom me 1,000. Why?
Me nyaw, me ni bi. Me no ka say kwa ka 5 cedis pe na hye me ho. Me nya.
Hey, who need 200 Ghana? Like seriously? You don't have 200 Ghana? Excuse me.
Hey, madam. Say na we ska, yes I no dia we ska. Nti akwa hot amaye no.
Now, I be all my class with me. Wow, one time. They be yes, back class. I will be some questions. What is the meaning of mankind? Hey, class why I just saw about Betra, Upeja, Say the meaning of mankind is Petu. Na class why you are so serious. Wow, one time. Hey, Charlie, Philip cry. Why you cry?
Hey, Mrs. Anway. Mr. Anway. Mrs. Anway. Me ma 50 cedis. Say go 5 cedis. Scan away. Huh?
Sister, me the ma.
What do you say, mama? What do you say, man? Me da ben.
Ah, sister, me the bro and they are.
Hey, what do you say, mama? But when this woman will be on. Oh, stand out here. We are called a bond, papa. Mama, me way. Me the more come, mama. Family sick, mama. Huh? First, can mama.
Me nina de buy yo or mo.
Family sick, mama. Family sick, mama.
Sister, how's my farmer?
What is Kabia, mama?
Ah, me nina de buy mo.
Nanti when this woman will be on. So it's Kabia, mama. Can any be? Family sick, mama.
Me nina de brand no. Ah, sister. Ya farmer.
Family sick, mama.
I never said him my twin sister.
Ah, as my got me twin sister bay. Me twin sister bay.
And you know I saw twin sister.
Me kanda bay. Me kanda bay. Most mo yan collab no be. Hey, Tina ho. Hey, Tina ho. Happy job.
Oh, yeah, see for the club it wasn't easy, yeah? She they got me. This is she fine, right? She fire. Hello. Hey, baby girl here. You talk about club. Nice girl though. Hey, what do you think?
About the clubbing? Let's go. We spend time together.
Enter. Yay! Miss Brown. Miss Brown. Wow. Hi. What's up? Oh, what a surprise. What can we offer you?
Oh, okay. Can I have a word with you?
With me?
Sure.
Okay, no problem. I'll see. Okay. Please, you can have a seat.
Okay.
What's a surprise visit?
Yeah.
So what's up?
You know, there is something bothering me.
Bothering you?
Sure. Are you really the IGP's son?
Why, do you have any doubts or something?
Oh, no. Just asking.
Oh, yeah, that's my dad.
Oh, okay. And it's like, you know, I'm the spy's daughter.
Sure. Everyone knows here. Sure.
Oh my goodness. And, you know, as you know, I'm the daughter of the spies. And you are IGP's son. You know, we have class and levels.
Sure.
You know, my dad is a don.
Yeah, your dad is a great guy.
You know.
Marvelous. Yeah.
Oh my goodness. So you know.
Oh yeah, sure. Everyone knows Kwame Despite.
Sure.
Yeah, he's so great. Such an amazing man.
So as I was saying, you know, I was saying, at least I was saying, you're man girl. So what must I say?
Yeah, I get
your class and your levels. Please let me know. I'm a trainer.
Well, actually, I don't go about blowing my horse. You get it. So,
anyways, I'm really sorry about the last time.
Oh, don't worry. I'm down to earth.
Okay.
Sure.
Okay. The person I'm trying to say, who's a man on my bar who's still hatching?
Sure.
Men I'm a penny.
Sure.
So, it's no bit your ambantim sika.
Oh.
You have to be like 1,000 Ghana.
Oh, really? Okay.
Sure.
Okay. Sure. Since it's you, sure. And it's not a problem. Give me a minute. Okay?
You mean it?
I'm serious. I'm coming.
Hey. Let me dear grew. Over 1,000 Ghana. Over 1,000 Ghana naba. Hey. A fat.
Oh, yeah. Stylish. This life no be better. It's truly a better one. No, the better. She go smile at you every day, but deep inside she just gonna laugh at you in some way. It looks so bright at daytime, night is the real colors. Yeah. I will show you my true colors. Yeah. You gonna see my true colors. Yeah. I will show you my true colors. Yeah. The true colors. Yeah. You pretend to be my best friend. Until the end of my life, me. You become my husband's sex friend. Until you want your way, what I remember, I am here. Me know them, you know, watching them when I'm across and can't be coming. Oh, you always backbiting me. You come back comforting me. I told you all my secrets. That is why you snatching my boyfriend. If you any bump, I want some the idea. She go look so bright at daytime, night is a real colors. Yeah. I'll show you my true colors. Yeah. A true color. You go see my true colors. Yeah. See many colors. I will show you my true colors. Yeah.